For question 5, we're looking for which choice which choice provides the best transition from the previous paragraph to this one. So let's just quickly review the previous paragraph in terms of its content. It's basically talking about why the two scientists were investigating, basically how and why they were investigating possible causes for the large blooms of blue-green algae. So in this next paragraph, it in pretty large detail describes how they were doing it. So when we do a transition, we want it to make some kind of usually connection between what's before and what comes after, right? So if you just put the way it is right now, one mission of the experimental lakes area is to conduct research. Okay, so this is talking about the mission of the experimental lakes area. That doesn't, I mean, it's tangentially related, somewhat related to what we were talking about before, but it doesn't really directly correlate, right? It doesn't really correlate with the actual content of this paragraph. So this probably isn't a very good transition because this statement is a little bit, seems a little bit random or unrelated to what's being said. So what about B? The experimental lakes area is located in a sparsely inhabited region. Okay, same sort of thing, right? It doesn't necessarily contradict anything, but it's kind of irrelevant. It doesn't have much to do with what was being said before or after. So B isn't good either. Okay, what about to isolate the cause of the algae? Schindler and Brunskill performed another experiment, this time using Lake 226. Okay, that's definitely not bad, right? It makes a little bit of mention to the algae that we discussed in this paragraph. It also sort of explains the connection between that paragraph and this next experiment. So it kind of introduces the fact that there was another experiment done. So that looks pretty good. What about D? The process by which water becomes enriched by dissolving nutrients is called eutrophication. Okay, again, doesn't contradict anything, but it's just kind of irrelevant. It doesn't help introduce any new information here, and it doesn't in any way connect with the last paragraph. So C is our answer here.